Laplace and their ROC. So first one is delta t impulse function. So it has Laplace transform 1 and ROC is entire S plane, because it will not become infinity at any value of S. So ROC is the entire S plane. Then next is U of t. It has Laplace transform 1 upon S and ROC is denominator greater than 0. That means real of S greater than 0. Then third, U of minus t. So here it is minus. So in the answer also we have minus. So Laplace transform is minus 1 by S and ROC is, with U of t we always equate greater than 0 and with U of minus t we equate less than 0. So real of S is less than 0. Fourth one, e raised to 8 minus 80 U of t. It has Laplace transform 1 upon S plus A and ROC is S plus A greater than 0. That means S is greater than minus A. So real of S greater than minus A. Fifth, e raised to minus 80 U of minus t. So here minus sign is there. So in the answer also we have minus sign. So minus 1 upon S plus A. And ROC is S plus A less than 0. Because U of minus t we have to equate less than 0. So S plus A less than 0. That means real of S is less than minus A. Next, e raised to 80 U of t. So it has Laplace transform 1 upon S minus A and ROC is S minus A greater than 0. That's why real of S greater than A. Then next, e raised to 80 U of minus t. So again U of minus t. So in the answer also we have minus 1 upon S minus A and ROC is S minus A less than 0. S less than A. So ROC is real of S is less than A. Then sin 80 U of t as Laplace transform A upon S square plus A square and ROC is real of S is greater than 0. Then cos 80 U of t as Laplace transform S upon S square plus A square and ROC is real of S is greater than 0. Then t raised to n U of t has Laplace transform n factorial divided by S raised to power n plus 1 and for ROC real of S is greater than 0. So based on this formula t raised to n U of t, we can have the Laplace of t square U of t. It has Laplace transform 2 factorial, that means 2 divided by S raised to power n plus 1. So S raised to power 2 plus 1, that means S cube and ROC is real of S greater than 0. Similarly, what is Laplace of t cube U of t? So 3 factorial divided by S raised to power n plus 1. So S raised to power 4. N value is 3 here. So 3 factorial upon S raised to power 4. And ROC is real of S greater than 0. Then next, t e raised to minus 80 U of t. It has Laplace transform 1 upon S plus A square. And ROC is S plus A greater than 0. That means real of S greater than minus A. Next Laplace is t e raised to 80 U of t. So it has Laplace transform 1 upon S minus A square. So with t multiplication we have square here. And ROC is S minus A greater than 0 because of U of t greater than 0. So S is greater than A. That means real of S is greater than A. So this is the ROC. Now let's look at some basic questions. Find Laplace transform and sketch ROC. Number 1, x of t equal to e raised to minus 2t U of t plus e raised to minus 3t U of t. We have to sketch ROC also. Okay. So x of s will be its Laplace transform e raised to minus 80 U of t as Laplace transform 1 upon s plus 2. E raised to minus 3t U of t as Laplace transform 1 upon s plus 3. So ROC will be for s plus 2 U of t is there. So real of s greater than minus 2 and here real of s greater than minus 3. If I sketch it, so we have two poles. One pole is at minus 2, another pole is at -3. The ROC is, common ROC is s greater than -2. So for s greater than -3 and s greater than -2, so for both the signals common ROC is s greater than -2. So this is the ROC. So it is greater than -2, it is greater than -3 as well as it is greater than -2. So common ROC is s greater than, real of s greater than -2. So ROC is the, whenever we have two signals, ROC is the common region. ROC is common ROC with two signal, which portion is common, and that will be our overall ROC. Next question, e raised to -2t u of minus t plus e raised to -3t u of minus t. So x of s will be, so u of minus t, right? U of minus t, so minus will come in the answer. So -1 upon s plus 2 -1 upon s plus 3. So ROC is real of s greater than -2, less than -2. Why less than -2? Because of u of minus t. Because of u of minus t, it is less. And here denominator greater than, less than 0. So real of s is less than -3. Now what will be common ROC? So we have two poles. One pole is at -2. Another pole is at -3. And our overall ROC is, for overall ROC is s less than -3. So this is common for both real of s less than -2, real of s less than -3. So this is the overall ROC for our signal. Next question, e raised to -2t u of minus t plus e raised to -3t u of t. So x of s will be 1 upon s plus 2. Here u of minus t, so in the answer also minus sign will come, plus e raised to -3t u of t as Laplace transform 1 upon s plus 3. Now ROC, so s plus 2 with u of t, u of minus t is there, so s plus 2 less than 0. That means s less than -2. So ROC is real of s less than -2. And here with u of t is there, so s plus 3 greater than 0. That means s greater than -3. So real of s greater than -3. So just see, by after plotting pole 0 diagram it will be more clear. So one pole is at -2, another pole is at -3. So it should be greater than -3 and it should be less than -2. So between -2 and -3 is the ROC. Between -2 and -3 will be our ROC. Next question, x of t equal to e raised to 2t u of t plus e raised to -3t u of minus t. So its Laplace transform will be 1 upon s plus s minus 2, because e raised to 2t is there, so s minus 2, and u of minus t is there, so in the answer minus sign will come, so -1 upon s plus 3. So now first you plot the pole 0 diagram. So one pole is at s minus 2 equal to 0, that means s equal to 2. Another pole is at s plus 3 equal to 0, that means another pole is at -3. Okay, so with -3 it is great, with -3 it is less than, real of s is less than -3, because u of minus t, u of minus t means less than, u of minus t means less than, and here s minus 2 greater than 0, that means s greater than 2, real of s is greater than 2. So it should be greater than 2 and it should be less than -3. It should be less than -3. So you can see that we don't have the common ROC. Whenever we don't have common ROC, in such case Laplace transform does not exist. So correct answer for this question is Laplace transform does not exist because we don't have the common region of convergence, ROC. transform and sketch ROC of u of t minus 2. So you know that your u of t minus 2 is present from 2 to infinity. It is present from 2 to infinity and it has amplitude 1. Unit step signal has amplitude 1. So this is the sketch of u of t minus 2. So use the definition of Laplace transform. So x of s equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x of t e raised to minus st dt. But here our signal is present from 2 onwards. So integration limits will be 2 to infinity. Amplitude is 1 e raised to minus st dt. So e raised to minus st integration is e raised to minus st upon minus s and limits are 2 to infinity. So put upper limit, so it becomes e raised to infinity minus infinity minus e raised to minus 2s. In place of t put infinity, in place of t put 2 divided by minus s. So the answer is e raised to minus infinity is 0, so minus minus cancel, so final answer is e raised to minus 2s upon s. And for ROC, as our signal is right-handed signal, so ROC is real of s greater than 0. So for ROC, equate denominator greater than 0. Now next question, find Laplace transform and sketch ROC x of t equal to u of t minus u of t minus 2. So this is the graph of u of t. From 1, amplitude is 1, it is present from 0 to infinity, minus u of t minus 2. So this is the graph of u of t minus 2, amplitude is 1. This is graph of u of t. So subtraction from 0 to 2, from 0 to 2, it has amplitude 1, it has amplitude 1 and it has amplitude 0. So 1 minus 0, 1. From 2 onwards, it has amplitude 1 and it has amplitude 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So after 2, subtraction will be 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the graph of u of t minus u of t minus 2. So we have to determine its Laplace transform. So in the definition, limits will change from 0 to 2 because our signal is present from 0 to 2 and value of the signal is 1 dot e raised to minus st dt. So it becomes e raised to minus st upon minus s, limits 0 to 2. So substitute upper limit, so it becomes e raised to minus 2s, then lower limit, in place of t put 0, so e raised to 0 upon minus s. So this can be written as 1 minus e raised to minus 2s upon s, because e raised to 0 value is 1. 1 from numerator I will take minus sign common, minus minus cancel. So answer is 1 minus e raised to minus 2s upon s, and ROC is real of s is greater than 0. Next question, find Laplace transform and sketch ROC e raised to minus 2t u of t minus 3. So u of t minus 3 is present from 3 to infinity. It is present from 3 to infinity and it has amplitude 1. So this is nothing but u of t minus 3. So purpose of unit step is just to change the integration limit. So x of s will be integration 3 to infinity, because the integration limits are decided by this unit step signal. So as unit step signal is present from 3 to infinity, integration limits will also be 3 to infinity. Then x of t has value e raised to minus 2t, unit step has value 1, e raised to minus st dt. So it becomes integration 3 to infinity e raised to minus 2t minus st dt. So take minus sign common, so e raised to minus sign I have taken common, and also you take t common, so e raised to power s plus 2 into t, e raised to power minus of s plus 2 into t dt. So use integration formula, so it becomes e raised to power minus of s plus 2 upon minus of s plus 2 divided by minus of s plus 2, integration limits 3 to infinity. Substitute upper limit, so it becomes e raised to minus infinity. Substitute lower limit, in place of t substitute 3 because we have integrated with respect to dt. So e raised to power minus of s plus 2 into 3 whole divided by minus of s plus 2. So it becomes e raised to power minus of 3 s plus 2 divided by s plus 2. Now for ROC, equate denominator with greater than 0. So s plus 2 greater than 0, that means s greater than minus 2. So real of s is greater than minus 2. So this is the ROC. Now whenever you have a right sided signal, that means the signal which are going towards infinity, in that case equate ROC greater. Okay. Next question, find Laplace transform sketch ROC for x of t equal to e raised to 3t u of t minus 2. So you know that u of t minus 2 is present from 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity, and it has amplitude 1. So unit step signal decides our integration limits. So our signal is present from 2 to infinity. So integration limits 2 to infinity. Then e raised to 3t u of t minus 2 has amplitude 1 into e raised to minus st dt. So it becomes e raised to 3t minus st into dt. Now whenever the limits is, one of the limit is infinity, take minus sign common from exponential, so it becomes integration 2 to infinity e raised to power minus sign I will take common, as well as I will take t common. So it is nothing but s minus 3 times t dt. So solve this integration, you will get the answer. So e raised to power minus of s minus 3 upon minus of s minus 3 limits 2 to infinity. Substitute upper limit, so it becomes e raised to minus infinity. Substitute lower limit, so e raised to power s minus 3 times 2 divided by minus of s minus 3. So final answer is e raised to minus infinity is 0. This minus minus get cancelled out. Final answer is e raised to power minus 2 times s minus 3 upon s minus 3, and ROC will be s minus 3 greater than 0, that is real of s is greater than 3 is the ROC. Next question, e raised to minus 2t u of t minus u of t minus 3. So u of t minus u of t minus 3 is present from 0 to 3. So this is the graph of u of t minus u of t minus 3. So change the limits. So x of s equal to, as our signal is present from 0 to 3, so integration limit 0 to 3 e raised to power minus 2t dot e raised to power minus st dt. So combine the exponential and solve this integration. So integration 0 to 3 e raised to power minus, I will take common, s plus 2 times t dt. So this is nothing but e raised to power minus of s plus 2 times t divided by minus of s plus 2. Limits are 0 to infinity, 0 to 3. Then put upper limit. So in place of t put 3, minus in place of t put 0. So it becomes e raised to power minus 3 times s plus 2 minus e raised to 0 is 1 divided by minus of s plus 2. So the final answer is, from numerator take minus sign common, so minus minus cancel. So final answer is 1 minus e raised to power minus 3 s plus 2 upon s plus 2. Now for ROC, what you will do? You will equate denominator greater than 0, s plus 2 greater than 0, that means s greater than minus 2, that is ROC is real of s is greater than minus 2. So this is the final answer.